still in the illustrate rational algebraic expressions, but in this session, we need to evaluate the rational algebraic expressions. So, in evaluations, we will need just the so-called substitution, okay? So, let's say the given here is x plus 2 over, let's say, x plus 8, okay? So, if the given is, if x is equal to 1, yan, we need to solve it. We need to evaluate na, okay? So, with this, we just need to substitute the given negative 1, okay? To this x plus 2 over x plus 8. Yan. Substitute natin. So, instead na x, ang lalagay natin ay 1 plus 2 over x plus 8. E di x na yan, magiging 1 na yan, plus 8. Solve natin. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. Is it the final answer? No. We need to take it into the lowest term. Okay? Lowest term natin to. So, paano maglo-lowest term, ma'am? Paano? Okay? So, kailangan nating mahanap yung commonality sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So, ano ba yung common sa kanila? And that is 3. So, divide lang natin sila to 3. Ito din, divide natin kay 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is positive 1. Over 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, this is the answer. Ganun lang siya. So, substitute lang natin siya. Ganun lang po yun. Okay, another given. Another given tayo. Okay, what if, ma'am, ang given na po ganito? O, let's say y squared plus 18y plus, okay, let's say ito ay 36 over y plus 2. Okay? So, ngayon, if y is equal to, let's say, 2. Ayan. So, natin. Yan. So, ngayon, gawin natin, substitute ulit. So, ngayon, si y magiging 2 na to. Yan. Yung y na to magiging 2 squared. Ayan. Plus 18 multiplied by 2. So, it will be multiplied by 2 plus 36 all over, ngayon, 2 plus 2. Yan. Solve pa natin. So, 2 squared, it will become 4 plus 18 times 2, that is 36 plus 36. Yan. As pa natin. Yan. All over. So, 2 plus 2, that is 4. Equals. So, 4 plus 36, that is 40. Plus 36, anong sagot? Okay? That is 76 over 4. Yan. Ang tanong, malulowest term ba natin yan? Opo. By ano po? By ano po natin siya malulowest term? O, itry nyo muna sa by 2. Kung kakayanin siya sa by 2, pwede naman siya i-divide natin. Pag dinivide natin si 76 divided by 4, the answer is 19. Therefore, the answer is 19. Ganun yun. Okay? Ganun lang po ang pagsasagot nito. Okay? So, for your activity, know my value. The title of the activity 3 is Know My Value. Directions. Evaluate the rational algebraic expressions. Write your answer on your answer sheet. Okay? So, I need your solutions also here. Okay? So, yan lang po. 1 to 3 lang din yan. Okay? Ganun lang. Good luck!